What's poppin' YouTube? Welcome to your girl channel. It is your girl Lauren, aka shaawtyjaay, and in this video I did this real fly makeup tutorial for y'all. I'm gonna keep the intro nice, short, and sweet. Make sure you subscribe to the kid because more content is on the way. Okay, we going up 2020. And make sure you follow me on Instagram and all of my social medias. My Instagram is shaawtyjaay. And let's get into this video. What's poppin'? So first of all, let's talk about how it's 2:44 in the morning and I'm doing a whole makeup tutorial. Let's talk about the grind. So as you can see, I already did my eyebrows off camera because them joints take too long. I hope this is good lighting because we can't tell. But I already did my eyebrows off camera, so we're gonna just jump right into this. I'm going in with my NYX Angel Veil. There we go. Cause I got oily skin, so and I'm just gonna let that sit for like a while. I want to try something new. I want to go in with my LA girl and like hit around my mouth in these like dark areas because it be looking like too dark around my makeup and stuff. Excuse me if I'm talking low because it is 2:44 in the morning and everybody in my house is sleeping. They have to go to work Monday, so yeah. But I want to put this around my mouth and see if it works because it be looking like dark around my mouth and stuff. But I just want to say something really fast. Like, today, I really didn't have a good day today. I'm not gonna say why I didn't have a good day. But just know, like, if you're having like a bad day or anything, just like don't dwell on it. Like if you gotta pray, pray. If you gotta cry, cry. But like just don't let it take over you because that's not good. So now I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me. So now that that's sitting, I think I'm going to do my highlight. I do 2 shades because if I do 1 shade, it don't match me for my undertone. So I'm just gonna do LA Girl Chestnut and LA Girl Toffee. I lay down chestnut first because it's more of my skin tone. And I don't want to be looking crazy. And I only put a little bit because I have a smaller face. And I noticed when I used to do my makeup, like when I first used to do my makeup, I used to carry it out and it made my face look so wide. And when I'm doing it on the side, it looks so cakey on the sides. So now I'm gonna use a little bit of concealer on my chin and on my forehead. And then I take toffee and I put it on top. Now I'm gonna contour. So now I'm gonna go in with my ACC Cosmetics powder. She be having these little mini powders. Little mini size travel ones for only like $5 and I got them. But they're really tiny though. So I don't have a setting powder, so I'm just going to use an eyeshadow to set my face. And I'm just gonna cut under my contour to make it more clean. So now I'm gonna use my the Sahara blush palette, and I'm going to use all of those 4 colors as blush. Right where my contour goes, so. I put some on my nose.
Now I'm going to put on mascara. What's my mascara?
So I'm gonna put some lashes on my lips. Spray my, line my lips, put on lip gloss, and then spray my face. So I put on some highlight and then get girl design. Where is my lashes in the first place? Ooh, we might have a problem. I can't find my lashes. Bitch. They've been on the back of my fucking leg. Now I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place loose highlighter and put that on top. I don't think I want to spray my face. Like, I just think I want to keep it matte. I'm about to put my beauty marks back on my face. I'm using the Wet n Wild liquid liner. Now I'm going to line my lips with the Wet n Wild Simmer Brown. I think this is Blush and Rose. This is Blush and Rose by Elf. Okay, so hold up. Okay, so you guys, this is the finished look. I really never do this lip color, and I never put this moon right here, but this is really giving me, you know, I don't know. I really don't know what this is giving me right now, but thank you for watching this video. If you like this this little makeup look, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Okay, make sure you follow me on Instagram at shaawtyjaay. It's gonna be linked in the description box, and it's gonna be on the screen, and all my other links to my social media will be in the description box. So bye y'all.